In the studio today, we have the Sigma DG-DN 85mm f1.4 art lens for Sony mount. When we first received this lens, we thought it was the 45mm f2.8. And then after we did a double take, we realized it was the brand new Sigma 85 redesigned for mirrorless. When we took it out of the box, our first reaction was, is that it? Because of its form factor and weight. This lens is 3.8 inches high, about 3 inches in diameter, and 1.3 pounds in weight. It's easily manageable with our Sony a7 III, and we can see this being used in many situations like weddings, engagements, senior photos, and many more. This lens has an autofocus lock button on the side, as well as a switch to declick the aperture. Something you'll notice right away when you use this lens is that it has a manual aperture ring like that of the 35mm art lens. This has a 77mm filter thread, and an aperture lock switch when you're in the automatic aperture mode. The minimum focus distance of this lens is about 2.79 feet or 33.5 inches. This lens comes with a convenient carry case and a locking lens hood. Priced at $11.99, this is a lens you can't pass up. If you like this lens and you want to add it to your bag, visit any of our 7 locations or online at bedfords.com. My name is Tyler with Bedford Camera and Video, and we'll see you next time.